Before I had dry eyes, I was so big on eye makeup, especially mascara. I used to wear fake eyelashes and mascara every single day. Like, you did not catch me leaving the house without mascara on. So not using mascara was the biggest adjustment I had to make after being diagnosed with severe dry eye disease. And I can't lie, I miss it. Every single day I miss wearing mascara and just like defining my lashes a little bit more. So I am really hoping this can be a really good brand for me. So let's give it a try. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a eye makeup tutorial for dry eyes. Okay, so I'm going to meet some friends later on today for a cute little picnic. So I'm going to go for a really soft, cute look today. So I already have my blush on. I have on a cute little highlight, so it's discreet, but when I'm in the sun in the picnic at the park, it's gonna beam on my nose and make a cute little glow. And then I also have some gloss on. I'm not gonna do my eyebrows today because I'm gonna have on my cute glasses that I wear to protect my eyes from wind. If you have dry eyes, I highly recommend you buy these. I sell them on my website. I'll put the link right here. But yeah, these glasses are so big that it takes away from my brows. It doesn't cover the brows up. So I brush them a little bit just to make them look a little bit more tamed. But I don't do my brows a lot because, yeah, the glasses kind of takes away from the brows, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's get into this eye makeup tutorial. Today I want to put on eyeliner and I want to put on mascara. So I'm also going to be reviewing this mascara brand. I think it's called Tower 28. Yep, Tower 28. So this mascara and this brand, they produce a lot of eye makeup for sensitive eyes. So I'm excited to show you guys how it looks and give you a review on if it irritates my eyes having dry eyes. Okay, so first we're going to get into the eyeliner. I don't think this eyeliner has a brand name. Yeah, it's like a standard eyeliner. I think it costs like $2. I got it at a regular beauty supply. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to put the eyeliner close to I forgot the name of this. I'm not going to put it directly on this line where my eyelashes are because I don't want it to start irritating me throughout the day. I'm trying to see. There's a mirror I'm looking at behind my camera, so I'm trying to focus on that. So what I'm trying to do is create a wing-like appearance. So I'm gonna put a cute little wing in the corner like that. You can see it a little bit. You can see it a little bit. Yeah, I can see it. It looks really cute. So as you can see, I just created a cute little triangle right here, but I didn't drag the wing all the way over my eyes, like in the corner here, like we mainly used to do. Mainly because I don't want throughout the day for the eyeliner to somehow just go into my eyelashes and in that inner part of our eyes, because that is how you can irritate your eyes, and you just don't want that when you have dry eyes. You want to avoid that feeling at all costs, especially when you're about to go out and have fun with somebody, like about to go on a date or hang out with some friends and family, and you just want to be cute and do your makeup. You do not want that makeup to turn against you and hurt you. So we want to keep it cute, but also have our health at the forefront of our mind. So yeah, I really liked how it came out. I really like how the other eye came out. Hopefully I can mirror the two eyes and make sure that the wing is very equal. Let's see. People in high school used to always say I was really good at doing wings because I never used tape. I just can naturally do a cute little straight line. But I haven't done eyeliner in so long, since I've had dry eyes since 2020. So I am a little rusty. I would say it's not so bad. Tap, tap, tap. You see? It's like, I like it. I can see the cute and subtle definition. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is apply some cute mascara, Tower 28. Please don't disappoint me. Before I had dry eyes, I was so big on eye makeup, especially mascara. I used to wear fake eyelashes and mascara every single day. Like, you did not catch me leaving the house without mascara on. So not using mascara was the biggest adjustment I had to make after being diagnosed with severe dry eye disease. And I can't lie, I miss it. Every single day I miss wearing mascara and just like defining my lashes a little bit more. So I am really hoping this can be a really good brand for me. So let's give it a try. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get really close to the screen so you can better see. What I'm going to do is just gently lay my eyelashes on the brush and then close my eyelids so it can like gently brush it. See that? Ooh, I already saw. Okay, first I actually did not brush my eyelashes at all, so I'm gonna gently brush them so I can have them less messy. But I'm going to avoid the bottom of my eyelashes or the tippy inner part of my eyelashes at all costs. Oh my gosh, this looks really good. Now, I also have a thing where I pull my eyelashes out, and last night I pulled out a lot of eyelashes on my inner eyelash, my inner eye. So that's why the front is a little thin on this eye, because I pulled out like 20 eyelashes last night. But yeah, I really like it. I'm gonna try to spread it out so it don't look so thin. I really like that. Okay, so on to the second eyelash. Super excited. We're going to do the same thing. I was going to lay my eyelashes on it and gently blink, but this eye did so good with me just gently brushing it like that. I'm going to do that same method for this eye as well. You see how they're all laid down right now? Watch this. See that? It's like they all just came to life. My eyelashes have like become trained to lay down now that I don't really do anything to them. Back in like a few years ago when I used to do my eyelashes a lot, like put mascara on them, my eyelashes were like naturally up like this because I just naturally brushed them every single day, so it kind of trained itself to stay up. But now that I don't never do anything to them, they just be laying down looking crazy. You see, I like this eye a lot better because this one's a bit more fuller. I gotta stop pulling my eyelashes, guys, I know. All right, guys, let's see. What do you guys think? You know what? I think I'm gonna do my brows. Okay, guys, so I just finished my makeup. I decided to do my brows, and I put a little bit of liner on my lips to like add a little bit more definition. So let's look at the eye makeup. I really like it. I don't feel any irritation. I really like this eye because I have all my eyelashes over here. So, you know, it created a really pretty eyelash look. Oh my gosh, I have not seen myself look like this in so long, and I like it. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I have not seen my eyes look like this in so long, and I honestly like it so much. Like, I missed eye makeup and it looks so pretty. So I'm excited. So far, I really like this product, Tower 28 mascara. I'm excited to let you guys know how my eyes feel after wearing this for a couple of hours. So it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm gonna let you guys know later on tonight, once I'm taking my eye makeup off, how my eyes feel and if it created any irritation, or if I feel like tomorrow my eyes might be a little dry based off of me adding products to it today. So till then, bye guys.